Zuma, long live. 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 President Zuma, long live. Thank you very much, comrades. My name is Mongikosi, Gift Education Matadakawi. Comrades, I have one or two issues. I'm going to be very short like my underwear, but long enough to cover the basics. Comrades, ningakhohlwa ukuthi yini esizabalazela. Umzabalazo wethu angona umzabalazo wokukhipha labantu nabazobakhipha vele. Umzabalazo wethu umzabalazo wokuthi kumele kuye imayini kumele zionwe abantu abamnyama. We are sick and tired ukuba amashina nama-security emayini. Sifuna ukuziona imayini silande bazubethu silethe abathawude bonkulu nabantu abamnyama bonkana ezenethu. Umzabalazo wethu ukuona zonke izimpilo phecelezi. We want the ownership of all mineral resources. We must own copper, we must own gold, we must own diamond, we must own ocean economy. We must thrive as black people because this is the land of our forefathers. Singumthinto wokuzimilela. Leli yizwe lethu. Hayi nabelungu. Angithi badayisile abantu belifundisa ukuthi leli yizwe leli nabelungu. Leli yizwe lokhokho bethu. Kodwa asifanyanya abelungu, asifune baxosha. Kodwa akushintshi ukuthi leli yizwe lethu elama bomkhulu impiloti. Ilanda leyabo asibabambisi. I-America bayintshontshelwa kuma-red Indians asibabambisi. eGermany asibabambisi. La yindaba kuthiwe South Africa belongs to all who live in it. Black and white, and we must share. Next when you go to Germany, they say Germany belongs to Germany. When you go to America, America belongs to Americans. When you go to Russia, Russia belongs to Russians. South Africa, after we take power, it shall belong to the native people. Who are the native people? It's the African people. It's the black people. Comrades, Masata, now I must remain. So, personal wedding trust. Sifuna ma EPWP, action general abasebenzi abaphelele. Comrades, sifuna ma security, wonke aqashiwe abe ne medical aid, afford the medical aid. Uma uyi-security, kumele uziqhenye uma i-security, ngoba ungumsebenzi ofana nabo bonke abasebenzi. Comrades, abantu abashinayo ema-ofisi nasemabhizinisini amakhulu bayafana njengo-secretary, bayafana njengama-manager. All cleaners must have benefits who are exactly as postal managers. Comrades, umzabalazo wethu uyaqhubeka. Namakhansela angcolile esawakhipha. Akungcolile amakhansela kuphela. Ungcole ngisho naye ubabukhawula. Uma ukuthi aphikise eduze kanti lomfo enkantolo. Ugcwele amantombazane abalala nawo la. Bagqonisela nge-ofisi. Manga, nathi badelepusa. Mangibasulela nathi. Because for you to get a permanent post, for you to get a job, you must sleep with the counselor, you must sleep with Kaunda, you must sleep with some of them who are here for you to get a permanent job. At some time, we are going to choose that as a matter of fact. You must not get a job because you sleep with Kaunda. You must get a job because you have a CV, you are hardworking, and you want to work and feed your family, not because you sleep around. Now my choice is what am I doing? Ngoba nani ngishayike umfukelana nayo nani? Kubuhlungu ngikhuluma amaqiniso. SMK uma sithatha ipower asifuni ukulala namuntu. Akufanele uyishelele nje mangibona into bekhe. Hayi ukuthi ngisebenzise isikhundla ukuze ngithole umsebenzi. Bawefike laba ngoba banani namantombazane kuphela. Noma ubani umuntu engedeke bakhomba phansi. Baphelile futhi. Comrades, Sikhiye comrades, amabhizinisi abangathola ngokuthi uphilela liphi iqembu. Yes. Uma wenza ithenda, uma wenza ibhizinisi uzomele ulithole on the basis of your work and on the basis of your presentation and on the basis of your building. Nepotism must come to an end. Favoritism must come to an end. Comrades, these are two comrades. We're only left with 6 days, 4 days before elections. Don't be scared, comrades. Don't feel tired, comrades. What makes me proud is that we went in Orlando when they closed us buses, when none of our members were left behind, when buses cancelled because of the ANC, but Orlando was full to capacity, problems full of back to their people, and there is only not the president party. We are everywhere, SMK. They couldn't sleep. No matter what my president was a person, he sees. I have paid Mama Kajesmi. The people are not going to go to Orlando because they've been lying saying we're a Zulu party. We're proving it to them that we're not a Zulu party. We have Swanas, we have Pedis, we have Shangalis, we have Tongas, we have all blood, we have Cossas, and the MK. Because MK is an organization of people. Even Penny Pay, even Papa Pay. I didn't know that you were. Hey. Yeah, but people want to let them go to the Indians are black. When they were black during apartheid, it was Indians, colors, and blacks. And white people were this side. When you say Indian here, an Indian is not lost. This is the home of Indians. Because we are Indians. But you don't want to see them full team. We want them as coming numbers. We want Indians to come in numbers because MK is the home of Indians, is the home of colors, is the home of blacks and progressive rights. So comrades, we are not a racial organization, but we understand our revolution. We understand where we come from. That is why we speak like this. Some may say we speak like this because we're always angry. We're not angry. We are passionate. Sifuna ukubona ushintsho. Uphelile ukuyeza noma bomkhulu. Siphile ngathi siyinutho. Uma ufuna ukubona umuntu olaphile, umuntu omnyama. Wafuna ukubona umuntu oyiphara, umuntu omnyama. Wafuna ukubona umuntu olendodolo, umuntu omnyama. Wafuna ukubona umuntu olengashile, umuntu omnyama. Wafuna ukubona umuntu onganephula, umuntu omnyama. Wafuna ukubona umuntu oshada bezimbuzi, umuntu omnyama. Amathele agcwele abantu abamnyama. Kwanjani ezoleka bomkhulu? Angishumayela imfundo, ngishumayela iqiniso. Lokulanda okwenzekalayo phambanga ukhanyile. Nangalifika linje. Okwami ngifika ukuthi ngifisa ukuthi lishintshe, lizoshintsha mina nawe. Before we die, we must make sure that we live like other humans again. That's fully understanding. That's fully for the patient. We cannot accept a situation whereby a dog of a white person is automatic at age, yet I don't automatic at age as a human being. You cannot accept a situation whereby a dog of a white person has 3 meals a day, yet I don't have a single meal a day. The only meal I eat is eating an Apollo on it. Let that go. Then expect it not to be ended. Comrades, if I don't know, if you pay, it's new. That's what I'm talking about. Yes, but excuses for him. I am sorry for him. Kusema kwa Orlando. Ubaba no, nekale kusema ngela mtela mlisho ngela. Wabiza ngana kuzo baba ngati na wazo. Kombizela eba. Na testele ndo shule pali. Basi vai ngara niwa ukama kwa shope ubi 100. Wati wena nendo dale. Aina mbele mpano. Sasa pia sasa stadium. Sasa unasanje malendo daya ngala. Ika ya parliament. Oba kwa malendo daya ya parliament. Nina nawe siyeje. Mara jamaa ushawampile nawe utatuza ndio unamsema mbele mtatu. Ngoba ngondo wabamncane bakaba nguthi nobethi nomala nala zange leparamente sizoya kumfondela. Ngoba ngophosa wazakhe wathola namadona engaphansi kwabhede. Kwathi nje enqeni ibhodo lokugcina bathi we-MK winile amavela abheke kuye ayomlando omisa. Unamalala une-strength sokushesha tshone. Ngiyobe ngimthimile kanti baba ngeke sekunethu manje ngeke sekunethu. Akakhona mina sobalanzi wena yethi. Ngokuphusha amaveli ngaba phambili kwamlanda. Ala ngosimlaza elandani. Sifuna ukuzokusho la kumadlawa siyana. So comrades, there's reaction yokuthi usumaka zange leparlamente. It's a reaction because bafuna sika ivotele MK. Comrades, i-MKs wayivotela bayathanda abathandi. Ngoba uzizima angihole izwe akadingi uyoshinisha ibhenji lapha. Engathumela ngisho isibungulu asitshela ukuthi angosayina lokho usayine lokho usha lokho ubophele amanye azona ngekhaya. Sesona comrades. Ningasabi comrades. Ningasabi. Esafuna sisho lutho. It's a last kick of a dying dog, not a dying horse. A last kick of a dying dog. Ningasabi. Comrades, history is on our side. The ancestors is on our side. All of them are on our side. You just need to believe that this is your vote. Nothing can stop this revolution. This revolution was interpreted by our forefathers. Ours is just to implement it. Exactly as it is. Victory is certain. You must never retreat. You must never